A bad day on the island is still better than a good day in the office. There's definitely worse places to be stuck. Welcome to paradise and your next smart investment. This stunning 2-bedroom plus loft, 2-bathroom villa at Kingfisher Bay Resort on World Heritage listed Gari, or Fraser if you wish, isn't just a dream escape. It's a cash flow positive opportunity you can start enjoying from day one. Fully air conditioned, beautifully presented and set within a resort renowned for its award-winning amenities, this property works for you while you're away. Imagine holidaying here and then letting your investment generate steady income the rest of the year. A slice of paradise, a proven performer. Secure your own piece of Gari and let it pay for itself. Opportunities like this are rare, so you should make it yours today.